I'm not sure if what we're hearing is true or if I am understanding it properly. The president of the Jamaica Olympic Association recommending that all member associations, including football, should have trials to select national teams. Now, I don't know about jacks and dandy shandy and marbles and them sports day, but national trials for football. So instead of the football coach selecting the players he thinks will best execute his tactics, he must keep a trial, and who play better in the trial game earn a right to national selection. Me not think that can work in certain sports. Now, first of all, some baller, a trial and training baller, mash up training, mash up trials. When you put on the match gears, them lost, yes. But that aside, team sports like football and basketball and netball, etc., are not like athletics, where you cross the line first or second and you make the team automatically. The team selection process for football is much more complex and entails more subjective calls from the coach. Long and short of the argument is that with all its good and noble intentions, this trials to select national teams in football, it cannot work. Please and thanks.